Hello, today you will learn how to get a free trial of Tradingview. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll understand exactly how to activate your trial and get access to the tools you want without any confusion. This process is straightforward, and once you know where everything is, you'll be able to set yourself up in just a few minutes. When you land on the Tradingview website, you'll notice that the layout is simple and user-friendly, which makes navigating toward the free trial quick and easy. The first thing to look for is the option to get started for free. Tradingview usually displays this clearly on their homepage, but layouts can shift from time to time, so take a moment to scan the top section or scroll a little until you spot it. Once you find it, click through to move on. Here you'll see the available plans. Tradingview offers several tiers designed for different styles of traders, and even though this might seem overwhelming at first glance, the choices are very intuitive. You'll find plans such as Essential, Plus, and Premium, and occasionally additional bundles. Each one differs in features and trial length. Some plans include a full month of access, while others may offer a shorter trial. If you're not sure which to pick, take a second to read the feature summaries. Think of the plans as different levels of access where you decide how many tools and capabilities you want to try out. If instead you only want the basic free version without selecting a trial, simply choose the sign up option at the top right of the screen. From there, you can create your account using your email, set a secure password, and complete a quick verification step that helps keep accounts protected. If you prefer faster access, you can sign in using a single sign-on option like Google or any other available provider. This lets you get into your account without managing another password. Once your account is created, Tradingview takes you straight to the home page. At this point, your trial or free version is active and ready to explore. You can begin testing charts, building watch lists, and trying out tools that match your trading style. It may take a moment to get used to the layout, but you now have full access to experiment without any risk or commitment. If this guide helped you get started, feel free to like the video and leave a comment if you run into any issues. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.